The owner of the style don't demonstrate am well for una. Shey una see am? Una no go do am wrongly. He say he no go take am lightly with una. Una look am.
You know what I came to realize? You know, I thought it only happened to the human beings, but even animal. That's really sad. God dang. I I got no word to say. Even animal bending over like that with a different gene. God damn, this universe is wrong. Hey, a dog and a goat. Goat will be a goat.